Hello niece and nephew, Uncle Niger here. Today we are reviewing egg fried rice tutorial by Kuya Debo. Egg fried rice is my favorite food. I hope he doesn't mess it up like Jamie Oliver. And today I'm using this shirt. I hope you don't read it because if you can, I'll be in big trouble. Alright, let's get into it.
I don't even know how to cook. Nah bro, let me cook.
He's using his clone as a help.
Let alone egg fried rice.
Very lonely.
How hard could it be?
Yeah, how hard could it be? It's literally eggs fried with rice. How can Jamie Oliver mess it up?
You will need
Alright?
the leftover rice.
That's right, leftover rice is the key, guys. Leftover rice is what you need for a good egg fried rice.
Egg.
Without it, don't even make an egg fried rice.
Eggs and
I mean, of course you'll need
till
egg.
it looks like this.
It's egg fried rice, of
And
course
then
you'll
you're
need
going to
egg.
need aromatics
Yeah.
and flavor. That's
And
why you'll need what's
Garlic.
it
Hiya! He doesn't even know the name of his ingredients. How can he cook like that? He doesn't even know what garlic is. This kid is... Yeah,
You'll need oil.
of course you need soy sauce for the color and of course you need oil to cook. What are you going to use? Water? Who are you, Jamie Oliver?
First, you will preheat the pan.
Huh? First you will preheat the pan.
If you want to know if the pan is ready, you just have to measure it like this.
Look how he measures it.
If it's hot
Like a true
enough,
Asian.
then you
He
will
measures the heat with hand.
the oil.
Very Asian. Right, you will put the oil.
And then you will add the aromatics,
The aromatics.
which is
Now he will add
the garlic.
the garlic that he doesn't know the name. Make sure the garlic is
Golden
yep,
brown, then
golden brown.
ready to add the
He knows what he's doing. Approve. Make sure you mix the egg very truly. You don't want it to be lumpy, right?
And not lumpy.
Yeah, he knows. He knows this kid good.
Then you will
He only
add
put
the
up
rice.
with the not knowing the name, right?
Then you just have to do this repeatedly. For additional flavor, you will add salt.
Yes, you add flavor. You need salt for the flavor.
Which is enough.
Wait, what's that? So small. Hiya! Why so small? Listen, alright? Use the right amount, not the white amount. You're not Jamie Oliver, you're Asian. Show them that you are Asian, bruh. Take one scoop of it, then put it there. Not some pinch. You're not. This kid already have two hiya. One more and he's out. He still have a chance to become an uncle. Now let's get going. Right?
Then come a little closer.
What camera tell
Wait,
ko?
not that close.
Oh wait,
Not closer.
yours.
Let me tell you a secret. This.
MSG Fuyo.
Love it makes
Yeah, that's right. It's not the love makes delicious. No. It's MSG, guys. MSG. Winner.
MSG.
She already has an uncle title. He used MSG. Yep.
Hear that sweet?
Yep. Sizzling is a good sign of a good egg fried rice. It's like music to my ears, right? That's what you want to hear. The sizzling.
Brown.
You don't want it to be lumpy. You need the rice
Then
to be
you will
separate.
add
Yep, you will add soy sauce for additional color and
Not
flavor.
much, just to color it a bit. And right about now, it should be done. When you
Look at that. It looks delicious. It's easy and to make.
and cheap.
Look at that.
But
It's not that hard, Jamie Oliver. Just watch this kid for once. Bro, look at that. It's delicious.
Hey bro,
Jamie Oliver, how can you...
come eat.
Oh my god, Jamie Oliver. Look at that. It's delicious. Now, his clone will eat it because he doesn't have friend. He's lonely. That's why he has to use Shadow Clone to eat it with
You
him.
made this?
Ay, poor kid. That is the reaction that you want to see when someone is eating your egg fried rice. Pause. Yep.
How was it? How would you rate it?
Overrated.
Well, 10 out of
I'm getting
10.
hungry now. It's so hot right now since we don't have an aircon. So yeah, follow for so that I can have aircon.
Wow, bro, I didn't know you can cook.
Look at that, guys. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching Niece and Nephews. I hope you follow, share, heart, and comment. Today I'm wearing this, so I hope you don't read it since I just got it from escaping. I mean, bye-bye.